In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up double opt-in for emails in Hubspot. Double opt-in is a simple but powerful way to improve email quality and compliance. It means that after someone submits a form, Hubspot sends them a confirmation email. Only after they confirm will they be fully opted in. This helps reduce fake signups, typos, and spam complaints, and it keeps your list healthier over time. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are in your main dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the main settings area where Hubspot stores account-wide marketing options. Next, move to the left sidebar menu, find Marketing, and then select Email. This section controls how your marketing emails, subscription settings, and related preferences behave across the account. Once you are in the email settings area, click the Subscriptions tab. This is where you manage the experience contacts have when they subscribe, confirm, or update their preferences. It is also where Hubspot keeps the double opt-in controls. At the top of this page, click the Double Opt-in tab. This tab contains the on and off switch, plus the content choices Hubspot uses during the confirmation process. Now toggle the Enable Double Opt-in switch to on. As soon as you enable it, Hubspot will require confirmation for the subscription types and forms that use this setting, depending on how your account is configured. After you turn it on, select your double opt-in email from the drop-down menu. This is the email your contacts will receive to confirm their subscription. Choose a version that clearly explains what they are confirming and includes a strong confirmation call to action. Then select your confirmation page from the next drop-down. This is the page people will see after they click the confirmation link. It should reassure them that the subscription is active and set expectations for what they will receive. Finally, click Save. This locks in your selections and activates the double opt-in workflow. That covers everything you need to know.